Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a short wheelbase Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This vehicle is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the Kombi, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the Transporter. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille, you will notice two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Transporter, you will notice that it's fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up, this Kombi is fitted with power folded heated mirrors. Also, the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. It's also fitted with a near side sliding door. As you'll also notice, it's fitted with privacy glass. Also in the privacy glass, you will notice side sliding windows. As you can see, I've opened the sliding door so you can see the 3 rear seats. Across the 3 rear seats, you will notice Isofix anchorage points. This is ideal for the correct child seat. To this side, you will notice the privacy glass and the side opening window. At the back of the Transporter, you will notice a tailgate with a heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. You'll also notice across the rear bumper, reverse parking sensors. This Transporter is fitted with LED tail lights. You'll also notice a Transporter badge and the VW emblem on the tailgate. Moving into the back of the Kombi, you will notice there's plenty of space for your passengers' luggage. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. If you wanted more space, you could take out the 3 rear row seats. This Kombi is painted in Ravenna blue. Before we go into the interior, you'll notice a sliding window. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides of the steering wheel. Both doors are fitted with some handy storage. Across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This Kombi is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice the driver and passenger seats have armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Kombi. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the working controls inside the interior and also the centre media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This Kombi is fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice multimedia switches. To this side, you'll notice cruise control switches. This Kombi has covered 26 delivery miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change the settings on the instrument cluster. I'm now going into the audio section, so if you wanted to, you could change the radio station if needed. To the centre of the dash, it's fitted with a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here. Next, I would like to show you App Connect. This is ideal for using your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone, e.g. music or maps. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that it's fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this Kombi is fitted with a heated front screen. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you change the direction of the heat. You will also notice it's got heated front seats, and here we have the 6-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Transporter Kombi. It's a short wheelbase. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used 71 plate Transporter, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the Kombi. The salesperson can also book you a test drive. They can also talk to you about any flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.